welcome back to Avencast. Yeah.
You give that pretty wand back to Gorlin. Thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Gorlin will perhaps be able to become a leprechaun again if he gives it to Queen Esalim. Now, come with me. I will show you how to get to the palace.
I'm speechless after that cutscene.
Now, if you walk through there,
Whatever.
soon get to the
Let's go.
palace. Well, I don't know. I think that I will have a quick look around here.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Save, and fuck you. Almost got a level. I bet we're gonna need help. Come on, Scully. 2K. What is 2K anyway? Oh fuck, not these guys. There's two of them. Fuck. These guys are tough. These guys are too tough. Nice, good job, Scully. Keep it up. Oh fuck. I'm not liking this. I need to remake Scully. And shoot there. I got a level, yeah, I noticed. Got it. That's it. There are some other dudes there, but I'm gonna get them in a second. Midget food! Hell yeah. I don't know why I said hell yeah there. Skills. How do I get to my skills? I really don't remember. Spell book. Okay. Soul magic. We need to take like this, and then we get the mighty soul beam, which is the most powerful soul magic attack. But why I need to take this first? What does this do anyway? Leeching projectile spell against one enemy. We're not gonna use that. Of course, it's gonna be the most powerful thingy wingy ever. Thingy wingy. Yeah, it's gonna be a thingy wingy. Let's do more damage. How about? Save after that too. In the same slot. I'm still thinking about save states. Just finished Ninja Gaiden yesterday. Kick some ass. Oh fuck. Whoa. Scully's pretty tough. He just took care of the other dude all by himself. I mean, come on. Woot! Nice one. He did it faster than I could take care of that. I feel pretty inadequate. I can't say that word, but you know what I mean. Fortress of Dimensions. Palisand Sacred. Palisand. Oh shit. Palisand. Oh shit. Oh. Scully? Scully! I need my pet. I need my pet! Whoa. One down. Two down. Get rid of that dude. Three down. Get rid of that dude. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. One. They're not playing around anymore. That's for sure. This is cool. Finally this game got cool. But freaking time. Scully, where are you? Don't you like that I made you part of the LP? Shit. How to save in a nice place. That's cool. I just shot a nuclear missile while rolling. Shoot this from here. How the hell are you inside the wall? Shit. Let's shoot these there. Shoot that there. Yeah, we don't actually need you, Scully, at the moment. Woo! It's cool. The stupid science will probably appear unless I already, like, blasted them into a green goo. Splat. Splat. I can't write. Wait. Splatter. Splatter. I think that's right. Although I should have written it in caps. Splattered. Isn't that splattered? I don't fucking know. It's not like this let's learn how to type with Turmia. Because I'm not fucking English or even American, so I don't know how to fucking type. Let's play what Mario's typing. What the fuck is that? Let's learn how to fucking type with every other word being fuck, shit, hell, fuck, two, there's two of them. There's fucking two of them. This is not the first time there's two of them, but there's lots of other too. It's not good. Scully, you've been annihilated, basically. Oh fuck it. Potions are my best friends at the moment. I need to like keep constantly shooting at them. Thankfully they're in the same spot, so that should help. Oh fuck! Invalid target position. What the fuck does that mean? What the fuck does that mean? I need my fucking head. Whoa! What? Don't die! It was fun until the Volgats appeared. That's for sure. Everybody dies. That's all I'm gonna say to you. Die. You two, die. Oh, there's one right beside me. Didn't notice you. Boom. If this isn't the last place in the game, I'm pretty surprised. Because there's lots of dudes. Lots of dudes. Let's try to take care of all this science before we like aggro the Volgats. Oh, you took care of it. Good job, Scully. Take care of the Shadow Reaper. Thankfully it's bugged or something and it's not moving. Easier to take care of it. Okay. Save here. Splattered. I think that's okay, right? Learn how to type with Turmia. Learn how to fucking type. Oh, the Volgats are coming. Oh, and there's one of those dudes too. Oh, this is fucking amazing. I'm gonna get killed. Oh, and we're running out of time too. Let's try to get something done before that. Oh, don't do that. There's only one Volgat up here. Oh, I need mana. I think I can get that Volgat. I can definitely get that Volgat. But where do I shoot him? Volgat. He's coming up there. Got it. Good. There's that dude. I'm gonna get him from up here in the next part. Phew! In the next part, we're gonna take care of the rest of this room, and seems that we're close to the end, I hope, because this is getting very hectic and actually pretty fun. So, see you guys in the next part. Bye!